Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token listening and Binance listening Tectonic token. Of course, is very much possible. Now, Binance have actually given out what they need in order to get most coins listed on their platform, and I think Tectonic token need to work towards all those things Binance really need. For example, they need to get the Tectonic token to be more popular. They need to get the audience that will really buy, because buying and selling crypto industry is what these exchanges want. They want to see people bring in money. That's the way they make their own money. Definitely, I believe if Binance can list Tectonic token can hit almost more than 1,000 to 10,000% increase in price. Now, let me tell you one thing to understand about the Binance. Binance controls most crypto exchanges indirectly, just like the way Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto coins, controls most coins. Now, when a Binance lists a particular coin and that coin, people started buying that coin, you will see other exchanges will want to list that coin also. They want their own customers to actually have opportunity to purchase such coin rather than registering or trying to use other company. They might be losing their customers gradually, who might be looking towards alternative to buy such coin that's actually pumping. And though that is why I believe that even though it's crypto Shiba Inu, when Shiba Inu started pumping, so many crypto exchanges listed Shiba Inu within a very of 1 minute. Shiba Inu caught hot listening. Everybody wants their audience, the community, to have access to buying that particular coin. So I think Tectonic token need to run a campaign just like what Floki did. Okay, that was the last 2 years. They need to run a campaign that will get Tectonic token to be popular, especially in Africa, in America, in Europe, in Asia. America, they always buy most coins, and they use Binance a lot also. And then talk about Crypto.com, they also really push a lot of coin, and I believe Crypto.com have been doing their best for Tectonic token. Tectonic token is actually hosted by Crypto.com. VPN Finance have been doing their best. And I think Binance listening is going to create more impact, going to create more community are going to have access to buy this. The market cap definitely is going to increase. You will see that Tectonic token is going to hit a massive level. So let the community of Tectonic token keep mounting pressure. Though Tectonic token is on watch list, it's on Binance watch list, which simply means Binance are watching them, taking time to study Tectonic token. And I believe if they can really list Tectonic token, definitely Tectonic token is going to become one of the biggest coin very soon. Holders will be making a lot of money with Tectonic token, and I want to see Tectonic token keep increasing in price. Binance listing is possible, but it all depends on how successful Tectonic token is going to become within the next few months. I believe before the end of 2023, if Tectonic token can keep getting positive results, then the possibility of Binance listening Tectonic token is much possible. Okay, so once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.